Today we're gonna make an omelette. I'm gonna show you simple steps to make the desired omelette you want. But we're gonna just make a simple one. We're gonna use mushroom, cheese, and some onion. I always put a little bit of cream. For 3 eggs, I always put about 40 grams of cream. Very simple. Some salt, and that's it. To make a good omelette, to make it nice and golden and soft, 2 pans is good because for this purpose, to show you how to make it in a quick way. Okay, so we're gonna start with 3 eggs. Crack it in there. Okay, I always say, always crack your eggs separately so you can see if it's good or not. So, I get another bowl. And put it in there. 40 grams of cream. Voila. You can measure it. A bit of salt. Some pepper. Whisk it nicely. That's ready. Now, take your onion. I want the soft part of the onion. Perfecto. Voila. Leave that for later. Some mushrooms. You've got time to peel it. You can peel it. Voila, you can peel it. But, well, onion, cheese. Okay. Slow heat. Okay, we'll put a little bit of salt in the onions. Put my mushrooms. Then I always, for me, a good omelette should have color. So that's why I take my time. Nice warm pan. Mix gently, non-stick pan of course. For me, no color there. Here, I want a bit of color. Lovely. Gently. Put, voila, put it on my omelette. Splendid. Gently. Now, I'll put it on this side, but I'm going to tip my omelette this way. I'm going to put my cheese. See, as you can see, my omelette is still nice and moelleux. Still nice and soft because I've always cooked it on a gentle heat. Now, what I do is flip, hold, voila, flip again, and voila. And I put my tomatoes on the side. little bit of pepper.
And then